Hi everyone, can you solve this problem? Minus 19 power n is equal to 19. Find the value of n. Let's start the tricky solution of this question. We have minus 19 raised to the power n equal 19. We can write this as minus 1 into 19 raised to the power n equals 19, and we know that a times b whole power x can be written as a power x times b power x. So we can write this as minus 1 raised to the power n times 19 raised to the power n is equal to 19. Now, according to Euler formula, which is basically e raised to the power I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll subtract 1 on both sides. We get e raised to the power I pi equals minus 1. So this minus 1 is replaced by e raised to the power I pi whole power n times 19 power 9 is equal to 19. Now we know that a power m whole power c can be written as a power mc. So it will be e raised to the power I pi n times 19 power n is equal to 19. Now we will take natural log on both sides. Ln of e power I pi n times 19 power n is equal to ln of 19. We know that ln of a into b is always equals to ln of a plus ln of b. So it becomes ln of e power I pi n plus ln of 19 power n equals to ln of 19. Now we also know that ln of a power b can be written as b times ln of a. This is the power rule. So it will be I pi n ln of e plus n ln of 19 is equal to ln of 19. We know that ln of e is always equals to 1. So it will be I pi n plus n ln of 19 equals ln of 19. Now on the left side we can take this n common from both the terms, and I pi plus ln of 19 is equal to ln of 19. Now we will divide this whole term on both sides of the equation. N times I pi plus ln of 19 equals ln of 19 I pi plus ln of 19 and I pi plus ln of 19. This cancel with this. We get n equals ln of 19 over I pi plus ln of 19. This is the final value of n, which we have calculated step by step, and I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me a lot. Thank you for watching this. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you.